am Majid Deshmukh. I work for Allscripts from past 7 years. So total years of experience I have 13 plus in software industry, and currently I'm working as a senior quality engineer. Uh, so most of my experience deals with healthcare domain. Yeah. So this is all about a short, brief description about myself.
Yeah.
So I have attended web services API testing in this month only. I mean September 4, 5, 6. There is a 3 days workshop I have attended, and before that also, I mean last year I have attended the C Sharp Java Selenium workshop also. And as usual, it's a great experience, and I'm really thankful to the trainer Aditya Garg. I mean, earlier I have a good contact with him with respect to the earlier training what I have attended for Java Selenium. And in this training, especially being from a manual QA background, for us it is a bit challenging to write a code. I mean, understand the technologies with respect to the current market trends, and that too with API, because now it is a latest and greatest market trend in the industry, software industry. And Aditya Garg really explained and very well with respect to the basic. Usually, what happens with our kind of experience, what we feel, uh, we can able to deliver certain things, but the thing is the basic foundation, right? This is the basic thing what we expect, what exactly API, how it works, and what is the usage of that, and how can we implement such kind of technology in your day-to-day work. So those are the basic aspects I before attending this session, this program, I had. When I attended, and I really thankful to the Aditya Garg regarding the way he explained and taught about the basic things of API, how it works. Like for example, the Postman tool. How can we use? See, usually what happens online, we will get many online YouTube sessions on what is Postman, like Postman crash course or something like that. But it is kind of self study where we cannot get an exact grip on the particular tool and how do we use that one. But in this 3 days workshop, what we really so Aditya made us really comfortable with respect to the tool, for example Postman, and how do we read certain API documentations, how can we approach with the problem statements, and those things he really very well explained, and it helped us a lot to understand that. And apart from that, the exercises he used to give us, it was very much realistic, and it starts from basic and middleware as well as complex. So he really made us very comfortable to learn those things, and yeah, I think it's very knowledgeable session. Yeah, when it comes to exams, I can say the theory part is a bit, I felt comfortable because, most of questions are what we learned in the 3 days. So it was more familiar and those things. And we are able to, attend it, and we are able to attempt it easily. But when it comes to the practical, yes, obviously, as I earlier mentioned, from a manual QA background, though we have a bit of exposure towards the day-to-day automation work in our current organization, I felt the 2 hours is a little bit challenging sometimes with respect to the certain questions what I have attended, but it was very interesting, and also we are able to I mean you can say attempt all the questions. The pattern of the question itself is like the minimum to maximum, we can say. I mean, the normal person also can attempt, and he can pass that exam. And also for the person who is in Fundo in the coding part also, he can also implement his logical skills to attempt those questions. So it is a mix and match of paper, where with the same question paper we can see both the views, like complex as well as the normal paper also. But it was I felt it is for me it's a like of challenging in some areas, like with respect to the Java REST assured, because in our organization we are using C sharp, but the syntax and all those things and JavaScript, those things, it was new to me. But what we learned so far in the training, so definitely the same logic, whatever the things we learned in that particular training, so it helped me to try my level best to attend and attempt those questions. So it was a great experience. Yeah, one thing I would like to share, that I attended most of the trainings. I mean, live classroom trainings, where we have physical appearance and presence would be there. But this is the first time I have attended this virtual, and it's really, I mean, I can say it is more effective than the classroom training. And also after the training session, we used to get the recordings, which really helped us to uh, get to understand certain concepts if we haven't understood at the time of the explaining. And that was really a good initiative from the ATA, like CPW said, whatever the online trainings are happening, it is really more effective than classroom training, what I felt in this lockdown, because most of things are happening virtual and online things. And I other than that, coming to my day-to-day work as well as hobbies, so I usually fond of cooking, and I really interested in the listening to music, and I explore new things with respect to the spiritual aspects as well as the religious, reading religious books and those things. And also coming to my professional, I really love to learn new technologies, like how you started this web services API testing. So this was really new to me, because there are a lot of frameworks coming with respect to this API testing, like different tools industry is using. And also I one more thing I observed from your the recently you started with C sharp Selenium combination. So that is a really rare combination. I mean, so far I browsed many YouTube things and many channels. I couldn't get exact the combination of C sharp. How do we develop a C sharp scripts as well as code with integrated with this uh, Selenium tool. So that was that I felt very much. I mean, it quite seems to me interesting. So hopefully, I am planning to attend that workshop also from ATI community. So probably, so I usually in the offline comes to professional, used to love learn more technologies with respect to the testing, as well as any new tool introduced, like for example, or any new language like Python, or else any scripting languages. So I used to browse and used to get to know those things. So you can say I really love to get to be a knowledgeable person, and you can say knowledge is power, right? So I explore towards that side.